So today we're going to be looking at how to change a mitre saw blade. First of all, you want to make sure that you unplug the mitre saw from the power source. And then what you want to do is you want to get your mitre saw into the up position. Get your Allen keys that come with it. So here, these are the 2 Allen keys that I got. And then what you want to do is undo this bolt here. So I'm going to undo it. And there it is. So you want to keep that there. Then get your saw and then go like that. Lift up the guard cover so it uncovers this. Then from here, you want to put it in here, but the blade still moves, right? See that? You can't undo it, right? So you go around the back, come here, around here. There's a little button there. Push that. And then it locks the blade in place. So yeah. So we gotta press that. Wait. There we go. Undo it. And this is with the big hex key or Allen key. And you can just and then so you've got this nut. You've got this. This keeps the blade so it doesn't wobble. What you want to do now, pull it. And, yeah. There you go. You've got the Ozito blade, the 210mm blade. Yeah, I've been using it quite a lot. So, yeah. And there are a lot of blades. There are a lot of blades you can get. I've got this one which has teeth here. And as you can see, you can already see the teeth coming off it. It's not a good thing. Here, as you can see. See, you got one. See that one, that one, that one, that one, and that one. They've come off for some reason. I don't know. They're probably just worn down. Okay, now you want to put the mitre saw blade on the arrow. So you don't have it like that. Have it like that. Put it back up into the guard. Push. Yeah. Then you want to get this washer. Put it on the blade so that it doesn't. And then you want to get the nut and just do it up. This sometimes falls off. And then you want to do it up when you get your new blade. How do you want? There we go. You want to put that in, just spin it. When you've got your new blade in here, you want to be very tight with this, of course. Then you want to come around here, back to that stopping thing, and you want to do it up. Do it very tight. Do it very tight. So you can see that there's no movement in the blade. Yeah. So that's how you change a miter saw blade. So yeah.